Queensland Academy's Creative Industries campus. Many people out in our community hear that name and think it's all about the arts, but it's so much more. Creativity sits in every subject that a student learns. Are you starting to make those connections in TOC around your thinking?
Yeah.
Creativity sits in science. The problem solving, the creative thinking that has to be involved in all of those curriculum areas.
What have we found, team, so far?
Our community often thinks that our students are moving straight into the creative industries fields once they leave QACI. Our highest number of our students move into law. It sits at about 24% of our students moving into law. About 22% of our students move into medicine. We sit right on the doorstep of QUT. So we have some really enriching opportunities for our students to be able to engage in university each and every day through the Biomed Lab that sits straight across the road.
And the fact that we are so close to their innovation lab, we got a chance to actually go and visit. I think that really built us into a more scientific and more professional person than just a high school student.
I know, just talking to the professors within our university partnership, they love working with our students because our students look at things differently. They challenge what is there.